Shamata. Om Gurubhyo Namaha. Children, today we will know about yoga which ideally practiced at an early age. Children, the International Day of Yoga has been celebrated annually on 21st June since 2015, following its inception in the United Nations General Assembly in 2014. The word yoga was derived from the Sanskrit word yuj, which means to question and investigate. The term yoga is also used to describe a comprehensive practice and a way of life. It is estimated to be at least 5000 years old, originated in India. Yoga has been described as the ancient Indian science of self realization or the ancient science of self culture. The renowned sage Patanjali defines yoga as having 8 components. The 8 limbs of yoga are yama, niyama, asana, pranayama, pratyahara, dharana, dhyana, and samadhi. Yoga is a gift to humanity and should be started early in life to get benefits of this ancient practice. The magical age is 8. Age has never been a barrier to practice yoga. It will be based entirely on your own fitness and health conditions. Children, the very best time to practice yoga is first thing in the morning before breakfast. Upon waking, empty the bowels, shower if you wish, then commence the day with your regime of yoga practices. The second most conductive time is early evening around sunset. Children sitting at a desk for hours a day, going back home and poring over books to finish the daily homework, assignments, studying, and preparing for numerous tests, participating in various extracurricular activities, etc., all cause the body and mind to tense up. Yoga helps to improve the memory function, a direct benefit of which would be a better academic performance, attention span, and focus. Children, you spend long hours in sedentary poses and tend to consume a lot of junk food as well, both of which are a byproduct of the new age lifestyle. Yoga helps to counterbalance this lifestyle through regular practice of asanas can manage a healthy weight. This helps to curb the problem of obesity. Sitting down to study for long hours at a time and too much screen time can lead to incorrect posture. This poor posture can develop into major anatomic complication in adult life. Children, the practice of various asanas on a regular basis leads to correction of posture, enhances flexibility, and improves balance as it brings equilibrium to the whole body. This is one of the amazing benefits of yoga. Breathing is fundamental to life, and how we breathe is directly related to our overall well being. Good breathing affects our movement, our posture, and our ability to handle stress in a positive way. Through pranayama and other breathing exercises in yoga, can master the technique of breathing correctly and improve the quality of your life. Children, yoga promotes healing from the inside rather than looking good on the outside. It teaches how to respect and love your own body. Children, because of good health and balanced temperament, are less likely to remain absent from school or pick fights with each other over small issues. Instead, you tend to engage more positively in school and develop healthy relationships with your teachers and peers. As mentioned before, you burdened with a lot of stress. Yoga teaches how to correctly cope up with the stress, manage it, and stay productive. Yoga also boosts immunity and prevents attacks from different viruses and bacteria by increasing the levels of antibodies. Yoga promotes blood circulation, which can work wonders for the skin, hair, and nails. A healthy body feels and looks happy. Children, you must sleep for up to 7 to 8 hours each night. A good night's sleep allows the body to be healthy, ready, and energetic for the next day. As yoga allows the body and the mind to relax, can focus better in class, play more actively, and perform better at examinations. Yoga is tangible. Through asanas, it helps to build strength, endurance, confidence, as well as the mind body connection. You can self assess the changes and positivity you feel after having engaged in this for some time. This confidence attained on the yoga mat is then carried into the real world as well, along with strength, compassion, and acceptance. Practicing yoga and taking mindful pauses throughout the day is like hitting the reset button. Children, yoga appears to be simply a stretching activity, but the variety and sequencing of postures coupled with the practice of deep breathing creates an extremely diverse and effective method of enhancing a range of healthy related fitness skills. Some of the asanas which can be practiced easily at home are salutation, which helps to relax the body, Bastrika, which increases oxygen supply, Brahmari, which improves concentration, lion pose relieves stress, triangle pose improves digestion, table pose strengthens the bones, tree pose improves body balance and concentration, warrior or Virabhadrasana boosts confidence. Forward bending helps in calming the mind. Camel pose improves posture. Eagle pose improves body balance. The yoga session can be concluded with a few minutes of relaxation, that is Savasana or meditation for some time. Most of them are named after the animals, and you can imagine themselves like them and can exercise while having fun. Children, Rishikesh, known as yoga capital of the world, is where yoga originated. The holy town in India's northern state has countless yoga schools, training centers, yoga retreats, as well as an international yoga festival held every year in March. Children, yoga is an age old art but is relevant in present times more than ever before. It has multiple gross and fine rewards which can help you live a healthy and joyful life. The 5,000-year-old saga of yoga has strengthened the health sciences. To keep it alive and progressive, our yoga gurus of varied eras have made innumerable efforts. They popularized yoga, they educated people, and circulated this magical power beyond boundaries. Tirumalai Krishnamacharya was an Indian yoga teacher, Ayurvedic healer, and a scholar, often referred to as the father of modern yoga. Yoga is a light which once lit will never dim. The better you practice, the brighter your flame. I wish you all to lit a yoga light as early as possible. Children, like, share, and subscribe to my channel Kathashravanam for more interesting activities and stories. Stay home, stay safe, be happy, and take care.